We're going to take some time now to look specifically at a couple of those projects. I think you'll be excited to see what they're doing and how they're applying the resources that you provided to them. And first, I'd like to start by inviting Barbara Pastuschek from San Andreas High School, who's going to talk to you about our mobile gardening project. Barbara.
Okay, good evening. We have a little video that will be playing while I'm speaking. The original intent of the Mobile Garden Program of Advanced Technology Farming Pathway is to allow more opportunities for moderate severe students to have access to community-based job training, be ambassadors of healthy food within our community and city, and work in collaboration with general education students. We received our first van on March 22nd, 2019, 2 days before spring break, and we have begun to use it immediately. Our plans are to expand and take our gardens, plants, produce, and presentations to the community at large, as well as having students and the communities visit our classrooms. This program has created a number of opportunities for our students. They acquire a great deal of self-esteem as they give presentations at various sites, assist in lessons on various hydroponic systems, and plant development. Pass on needs and nutrition value to elementary and high school students, as well as classroom visitors. Until the recent arrival of our passenger van, we have been restricted to walking and taking the city bus in San Bernardino to a few sites, but that has limited us on time, distance, and options to transport tools and equipment. We completed our first student delivery of produce to Olive and Citrus Restaurant in Redlands on April 10th, with a tour of the restaurant kitchen and interview with the owners and staff. On April 11th, we donated a delivery of lettuce to Helping Hands Pantry to supplement fresh produce to their food bank. We were able to visit Keeney Family Farm in Yucaipa on April 12th to tour the farm and begin our schedule to work with Jason Keeney on his soil farm, where we will be partnering up in providing our own packaged plants and produce for Gerard's Market in Redlands and various other open markets and restaurants. In addition, we drove to Cal Poly Pomona on April 17th, where we toured the BioTrek and plan to return to visit their hydroponics program and greenhouse in May. We are in the process of getting a second passenger van along with a refrigeration equipment van, so we may begin deliveries of produce and transport our garden towers to various businesses, to include La Sierra University, ThinkWise Credit Union, Olive and Citrus, Nutrition Services, and classrooms, with plans to expand to more restaurants and businesses we grow. Building these community and district relationships will expose our students to further possibilities of future employment and afford students to have opportunities to apply the soft skills consistent with real-world employment. We're all here to say how thankful and grateful we are for the opportunity that the Innovation Grants offer us. Thank you.